How's it going? Just making a really quick video on how to install the LED headlight kit that I made that fits all the motorized bicycle kits. So all it does is it goes in between your CDI and your magneto. So it has 4 wires, you see there, 2 coming in from the magneto on the left hand side and 2 out towards the CDI on the right hand side. So on the bottom, you see how everything is installed originally, like when you set up the kit out of the box. And the top is how you install it with the LED headlight kit. So again, 2 wires coming in from the magneto and 2 wires going out to the CDI. Usually, as everybody knows, the magneto and the CDI connect directly, with the 2 wires coming from the magneto going to the 2 wires going to the CDI, black to black, blue to blue. But with the kit, it has the 2 wires coming in from the magneto and 2 wires going out to the CDI. Of course, those are all color matching, blue to blue, black to black. Of course, with the kill switch, and this is no different than the regular motorized bicycle CDI or motorized bicycle kits, the colors don't matter for which color goes to which on the kill switch. That doesn't matter. That's no different than with the motorized bicycle kits out of the box. It never matters, as everybody already knows. So the only thing you have to keep in mind and be careful of when you're installing this is that you want to make sure that your kill switch is on the side of the headlight kit that has the magneto. The reason for that is because the way that the kill switch works is that it shorts out the power coming from the magneto. So you wouldn't want to put the kill switch on the side of the headlight kit that has the CDI, because since it's shorting out the power coming from the magneto on the left hand of everything you see here, if you put it on the kill switch on the right hand side of everything here, what'll happen is you'll be shorting out not only the magneto, but you'll also be shorting out the headlight kit, the driver module. You don't want to do that. You don't want to send a surge of power through the headlight driver. Because of that, you want to connect the kill switch on the left-hand side directly to the magneto. That way, it shorts it out directly, and it doesn't cause a surge of power going into the headlight driver module and through the LED headlight kit electronics. I think that's all. So I'll zoom in a little bit once more. So on the bottom here, this is how everything is installed regularly, out of the box motorized bicycle kit. Blue to blue, but black to black. Coming from the magneto to the CDI. On the top, same color, blue to blue, black to black, but you've got the blue and black coming from the magneto going directly to the headlight kit, and then going to the blue and the black on the CDI. I think that's all. Hope it helps.